In today's digital age, data spaces are transforming how we connect, share, and innovate. Imagine a data space as a big bowl where companies can store, share, and manage data. Data spaces allow interoperability, a standardized data exchange inside and between other data spaces. They exist on pillars of data sovereignty, scalability, and trust. They are pivotal for industries like manufacturing, where the ability to seamlessly exchange data can significantly enhance operational efficiency and sustainability. As data spaces offer opportunities for collaboration across industries, solutions to the implementation challenges are to be found. To address these challenges in the manufacturing industry, 11 organizations from 5 EU countries have come together in the UNDERPIN project. They will contribute to the establishment of the pan-European data space for holistic asset management in critical manufacturing industries, refineries, and wind farms. The UNDERPIN data space strength lies in the use of dynamic asset management and predictive maintenance that will ensure cross-organizational and cross-use case data sharing and exchange. SMEs, clusters, associations, international networks, and initiatives join us at UNDERPIN. Let's navigate the future of data spaces together.